Hello, this is Skibby. Today we have going gear. It finally came. Today's opening knife was my Benchmade Bug Out Valentine's edition. So yeah, let's get into it. Unceremonious dumpage. Alright. 4 items. Nice. Like usual, we've got a piece of paper. We're going to start at the bottom and go up. So, first item is the SRM Retriever, $20. Let's check this guy out. Very budget-friendly folder. Punches above its weight class. 3.5-inch blade, clip point blade. Crossbar lock. This sounds very familiar. One-of-a-kind knife you can loan to a friend without spending the rest of the day worrying if they're going to damage it. Sure. Yeah, this is the third time we got this knife. They finally named it. Okay. Third time we got this knife. Yeah, 9201. Or one that looks a heck of a lot like it. What does that say on there? 8CR. Alright. Pretty attractive though. The design is just SRM a bunch. Pretty alright. I don't hate that. Got a back spacer, which is the lanyard hole. We got those stink bugs flying around. That's the Missouri State bird. Don't know if you knew. They still came through in a bag. That's pretty slick. No cleaning cloth, but hey, we got a fun bag. Anyway, next up, the Olight Eye Ultra. I don't know what this is. Compact little light that is easy to toss on your keys, in a pocket, or in a bag for everyday use. Built-in USB-C charge, yeah, makes it especially convenient. Easily power up without dealing with a separate battery charger, sure. Lightweight, practical, yeah, so is a flashlight. Oh, okay. One of those deals. That's kind of fun. Charger's just on the back. You just lift that up and plug it in. And to turn it on, you just boop. Little P light. And it's magnetic. So that's pretty fun. That's pretty alright. $30? I feel like this is going to break off. We'll see. We'll definitely see. I was going to say, what's all in here? It doesn't need cords. Just paper. Alright, we're kind of going through this one pretty quick. Last up in the standard box, we have a standard Remit Cool Whale. I know that we've had one of these before. I think it was in titanium. Great EDC for anyone who enjoys a clean, modern folding knife. 3.15-inch 14C 28N reverse toe thumb studs or flipper tab. Nice, nice, nice. Ergonomics. Okay, cool. Let's check it out. Yes, this box is a little bit late. I don't know. I just figured everybody was having fun with some knife shows, gun shows, and St. Pat's last month. So, hey, is that me giving people the benefit of the doubt? Sure. But that's my job. Oh, well, hey now. I think I like this better than the titanium. That looks slick. Oh man, look at that. Yeah, that looks slick. And yeah, we do have this one in titanium. I remember that. That handle looks slick though, man. Look at them orange liners. That's great. Real lightweight. Yeah, I like that a lot. So, pretty sure I've gotten this knife or one very similar like it twice before. Still not a bad knife to get multiples of. And you know, folks are starting the subscription off and on, and they might not have gotten that one previously. A cheaper Remit whale for the standard box. Honestly, again, I like this one better. I know the other steel might be better, but hey, man, nice looking knife. All right, so what are we at? What's this? 50 and 42, so that's $92. It's pretty all right for a basic box. It's $60, so you know, just a little over 150%. Let's check out the premium. We got the Remit, another Remit, titanium rhino for $246. So what are we at? Don't tell me. 330 what? 338 on a $200 box. That's not bad, right? It's Remit boxes, man. What do we say? Remit crystallized titanium rhino brings premium materials and standout style to your pocket. 3-inch M390 blade, uniquely anodized titanium handle. Okay. Manual fine grinding pearlescent blade. Okay. Finish pairs with the crystallized titanium look to give this knife a refined collector worth feel. Button lock, extra fidget factor, ceramic ball bearing pivots. Alright, cool. Let's check it out. Okay. What is this nonsense? See, now that looks familiar too. Did we get one of these before, a rhino? Oh, it might have been a cheaper rhino, wasn't it? Just looks familiar. Or maybe Remit stylings just look... You know what I mean? Okay, so it's a button liner lock. That's kind of fun. And it's a front flipper. Yeah, that sounds familiar. That blade is kind of nice. Look at that. M390, they said. And of course, this ridiculous gold finish on the titanium. That's crazy, man. Yeah, man. Pretty slick. All right. Another knife heavy month. And Remit heavy month. Probably shouldn't be dragging that. Then we got a cute little pea light. Pea light. Nice. Well, that one's probably going to be given away, definitely. So I think that's what I did with the last one. Very nice knife. I keep the micarta one. I like it a lot. Very lightweight. And works. Yeah. Very solid knife. And it's $20? Come on. It's a cool whale. Again, we had one earlier. I like this one better, man. $40? Come on. What are you even doing? That's pretty striking. I do like those orange liners. I think the front looks silly. Weird harpoon looking goofy. No, it's not even a harpoon. They called it a tanto, but like it's some weird cross. Still, pretty good knife. Feels the hand pretty well. Yeah, man. Then what do we got? This rhino. It's tricked out Borderlands looking skin rhino guy. Heckin' millionaire, whatever you want to call it, skin. Looks great. Button liner lock. Flips great. Front flipper too. Did they say it was a front flipper? No. Oh well. Anyway, that's pretty killer. $250. I can probably see that. Looks slick, man. That looks slick. Worried about that charger. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Anyway, that's it for this month. We should be getting BattleBox here shortly. It shipped already. And yeah. Anyway, hope you guys are doing well. And yeah, I don't have much right now. Well, I guess I could do that. So, a buddy of mine reached out because he's having car troubles. And he does leather work. You guys know I do leather work. But the thing that I found is that if you respect somebody else's craft, you buy their pieces. So what I did was, because he was having car troubles, I went ahead and asked him to make me a couple things. His name is Jacob, and his company is called Crying Eye Leather, if you want to look him up on Facebook. And he makes Ren Fair stuff, and I particularly like his moths. And of course he told me what all these were, and you know, I've slept since then, so bear with me. But this is his big bag, right? Just a little sporran style with a fun gusset. There's his emblem. It's an eye that's crying eye leather. So, you know, I got one of those. And because I like his moths so much, my better half likes, what do you call them? Fascinators, like hair pieces. We got a fun moth barrette. And then, to keep with the Ren Fair, there's these things called skirt hikes, where if you have too many skirts, you can feed them through here and lock them down like the double ring belts, you know. So to keep your skirts up so your legs stay cooler. So we got those. Man, those look great on camera. Wow. Just striking. Striking. Anyway, so that's a moth kit, because I really like how he does his moths. And then here coming up in May, I want to say, I'm taking a buddy. Well, he hails from there, so it's not really taking him, more like he'll be in the area, so we're just dragging him to the castle in Muskogee. But I got him a bag. He likes the Chevelle, so got him a nice bag. Even if he never goes to a Ren Fair again, he'll have this as a keepsake. So that's nice. It was Jake's first time doing a car, so I think he did a pretty good job. Sure do. And then I gave him a dealer's choice with a Celtic direction. So here he made a bag for me out of his favorite leather, the remainder of it. That's why the other two leathers are different. But here we have a withering dryad and a crow, because that's the Morrigan coming. So I thought that was pretty fun. Of course, we got a concho there. Yeah. So yeah, if you're into Ren Fair stuff and you like these bags, he does custom stuff. He does a lot of cosplay stuff too. Check him out, Crying Eye Leather. Say hey. And yeah, that's all I got. Hope you guys are doing well. And I'll catch you guys later. Goodbye.